Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I look crusty beside my hair, cause it don't. But I look crusty, so excuse me. But today's video, we're gonna be doing a whole little meltdown, showing you how to do it. And this is definitely beginner friendly because, excuse me, but this is definitely beginner friendly because this was my first time trying out this method, these techniques, because it was a whole bunch of stuff, I guess, as you will be able to see in the video. Some things I did include was me actually making the wig, and where I got this hair from. This hair is from Celie hair and Kendra's boutique hair, or Kendra's hair boutique, however you want to say it. The bundles are Kendra's, and then the frontal, the closure. The closure, y'all. The closure is from Celie hair, and the combination together, both the hair and the bundles, is very, very, very beautiful. It's super soft. It just flows well together, like texture, everything, like on point. The closure was a little bit more silkier than the bundles, but everything is coherent. Everything is fitting well together. You know what I mean? And then the other thing I didn't include in the video was me bleaching the knots. I will put a clip in where I did try to do the bleach knots method in the microwave. It did not work for me. I don't know, it could have been me, could have been the bleach, could have been the microwave. I don't know, it just didn't work. So that was a fail. But then again, there's always the old-fashioned way of just waiting 30 minutes or so for the knots to bleach. Other thing I tried was the RIT color remover technique for turning darker lace light. Also didn't work for me, so I just ended up using makeup. So I would just say stick with the old-fashioned ways of doing stuff and you'll be perfectly fine, y'all. Like, if you want to see how I make a wig, construct the wig, this is 3 bundles, 24, 24, 24, and the 20-inch 7x7 closure. Sorry I didn't tell you guys that before, but yes, so I just received this hair. The hair came really fast. The closure came a lot faster, and I ordered it after I ordered the bundles. But, you know, look at it. Are you kidding me? Also, excuse this mess. My sister is in my room right now, and she's just like completely destroyed my room, but that's okay. So, if you guys are interested, and I'm sorry I'm talking so long, but if you're interested in seeing how I melted this lace down, because I did, I'm sorry, I'm just super impressed. If you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching this video. Also, y'all, I forgot to mention that I did not show me styling this hair. I say it's styling because I just straightened it. It was already straight, really, so I didn't really do anything to it. I just used wax stick and a hot comb and flat irons, and that's really it. But if you're interested in seeing that, then just let me know in the comment section down below, because there's no thing to just like show y'all how it's done. If that's what you want to see and you're interested, leave a like to this video and let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, now keep watching.
So firstly, I do want to apologize for the lighting in this video. Like, the sun was just doing all types of crazy stuff that was really getting on my nerves. But anyway, also my concentration face is like super duper ugly. But I'm going to be taking the Bold Hold Skin Protect. I'm not doing the ball cap method because I don't want to. And I was just doing this to see if it worked. So I didn't want to like have to try the ball cap method and the gluing of the lace. I just thought that was doing too much. So I'm taking some 91% alcohol and I just put it on a paper towel and cleaned off my forehead. And then I also took the now I think I'm taking the skin protectant, and if I can find it, doggone it. No, that's not that. Okay, I took the skin protectant also on the paper towel, wiped that over where I put the alcohol, and then I just took a colored pencil, a lip pencil, and I just marked out where I wanted to put the glue, and then I wiped it off a little bit, and then I just put the glue on there. And so I'm going to be doing 5 layers of this glue. 4 layers of this glue, and I'm going to be putting it like about an inch, like a half an inch on my forehead, and then the other half an inch on the cap itself. And as you can see, I do have a little bit of hairs that were sticking out, but like I don't really care about that. So plus I have the glue remover, so I don't expect my edges will be pulled out. So now I am taking this wig, of course, and then I'm going to just be pulling it up a little bit and placing it a little bit over the glue, because you can always fix it if it's too much with the lace instead of with the glue. So I'm going to be taking the comb and like combing that into it a little bit. And I want to shout out to all of the people that I got inspiration from, that I learned these techniques from on YouTube. So Erica J, Slay by Jordan, I Am Beautiful Hustler TV, Lace Assassin, and like everybody basically who's been doing this, because like I'm a visual learner, so like I just watched their videos nonstop and just was like, okay, let's try it. So I even got a little elastic band, how they say to do it, and I parted out my baby hairs so that way, it doesn't stick back. But I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for about 10 minutes, and then I will be back to take this off and show you guys what it looks like. So once I finally get this thing off, this is what the hairline is looking like. Amazing. What? Look at that. Like, ooh, I'm just combing out the little crunchy parts from the Gots to Be spray. And now I'm just going to put that back so that I can focus on these baby hairs and cutting off the lace. So I'm trying to cut as close to the hairline as possible. So I'm just going to put that little braid back so that I don't cut it or leave too much lace. And then I'm going to use a razor comb, eyebrow razor, to just cut off the lace that is not glued down. Now this is the step where people usually like see what's lifted or like needs to be glued some more, but I was running late somewhere, so I didn't do that step right now. But when I reapply the wig, I will surely do that step. But then I'm just using the eyebrow razor to cut the baby hairs, and then I'm going to style them using the yellow Gots to Be gel bottle. I definitely recommend doing one baby hair at a time, like, you know, slaying one and then moving on to the next instead of putting the gel over the whole thing, just because it was getting dry very fast and it was kind of hard to style. So I would just say do one at a time and take your time with it. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol to get some of the glue off my skin where it wasn't on the hair or the lace. And then I'm just going to make sure those are perfect. And then I'm just going to be adding a little bit more makeup to the lace as needed, just to cover up that cap underneath and make it blend well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to the front lace as well, and that will be it, really. Now I'm just making sure that everything is sleek, is good, going back in with the hot comb, the wax stick, everything, because oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, man, like speechless, no words. But you know, I'm just making sure that everything is flat. This is literally the flattest wig that I've ever made, the best wig that I've ever made, like the best that I've ever laced like this. And then I'm just going in with some hairspray, and y'all, that's it.
Can we just have a moment of silence for... Okay, everybody, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and the subscribe button so that you know when I post new videos. Again, so sorry that my posting schedule is all over the place. I'm still trying to figure out times to do things, and it's really hard with all the stuff I have to do. But I'm gonna try my best to be consistent. So if you're interested in seeing more hair videos, let me know by just liking the video, letting me know down in the comment section, because that's definitely something that I can do for you guys. I can show you how to revamp an old closure, how to make a wig, how to do like a sew-in, new closures, like whatever you want to see, let me know, because I got it. I got you. I know it. So if you want to know it too, let me know, because look, like the melt is so real. Like melted like a popsicle outside in the summer, melted like a witch at the beach, melted like cheese on a hot skillet, like melted like what else is it melted like, y'all? Melted like what? Let me know down in the comment section below, because it is. Because it is. Like, because it is. Period. Like, seriously. Okay, but if you like this video, thank you so much for watching. If you didn't like it, thank you for watching anyway, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.